Welcome. In front of me I have Sony A5000, and today I will show you how you can adjust the lens compensation. So at the first you have to go for the menu, then tap on the custom settings, and we have to go for the last position. Here it is. At the bottom we got the lens composition, and as you can see here we can, for example, change the shading compensation from auto to turn it off. There's another one, the same option we can set as a auto or just turn it off. And the last one is currently disabled. It's unavailable right now. Honestly, I'm not sure why, but here we can change these two settings. So it's not complicated. It was basically very simple. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.